For the first BCom first sem, I took MTBD, Methods and Techniques for Business Decision. For the first BCom second sem, I will be taking QABD, Quantitative Analysis for Business Decision. It's nothing but statistics, business statistics. You are all familiar with the statistics in your second PUC if you were ABES students. Some of you are ABECS students. Some of you are HEBA students, and ABMS students, those who have studied ABMS in second PUC, they are also familiar with statistics. Now here the problem is with the HEBA students and ABECS students, computer science students. This QABD is nothing but statistics. You are going to study QABD 1 in second sem, QABD 2 in third sem. This business statistics or QABD is split into two, QABD 1 and QABD 2. QABD 1 is for second sem BCom, QABD 2 is for third sem BCom. In QABD 1, you are going to study about the introduction to statistics, which is theory. Then you are going to study about classification and tabulation, graphical representation, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. See, here I am going to take in the online classes practical aspect of the QABD. Once the offline classes started, I am going to take the classification and tabulation and the graphical representation, introductory part that I am going to explain. Measures of central tendency, also called as measures of central value. Measures of central tendency or measures of central value. What is measures of central tendency or measures of central value? It is that value which describes the characteristics of the entire group of data. Central value is that value which describes the characteristics of the entire data. For example, if you ask ಯಾರನ್ನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, 60% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ 70% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ 85%, 90% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It means that 90% and he has not scored 90 in all the subjects. One subject only 100, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು subject only 99, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು subject only 98, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು subject only 65. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. On an average 90%. That average is called central value. That average is called central tendency. Measures of central value is that value which describes the characteristics of the entire mass of data. Average. Central value is nothing but average. Here in central tendency, you are going to study about mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Averages is of 5 types. One is mean, second one is median, third one is mode, fourth one is geometric mean, fifth one is harmonic mean. Mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Of these 5 types, we have only first 3 types. ಈ 5 ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಮೋಡ್, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These are the different averages. Of this we have only first 3 types: mean, median, mode. Artha aita? So central value is that value which describes the characteristics of the entire mass of data. Central value is also called as central tendency. It is also called as averages. In measures of central tendency, we are going to study about the following averages: mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Of the 5 types, we have only first 3 types in our syllabus: mean, median and mode. Again in mean, we have mean is also called as arithmetic mean. Mean is also called as arithmetic mean. In arithmetic mean, nodi, arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean, median, mode and geometric mean and harmonic mean. Of these 5 types, we have only first 3 types: arithmetic mean, median and mode. In arithmetic mean, we have simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean alli matte 2 types of classification ide: simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic mean, again we have 2 types: simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Artha aita idu? So illi central value, central tendency nalli 5 types ide. Ondu arithmetic mean, innondu median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Mean alli simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Again, simple arithmetic mean, we have 3 series. One is individual series, the other one is discrete series, the third one is continuous series. Simple arithmetic mean, individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Individual series. Individual series alli bari variable values na kottirtane. In the case of individual series, only the variable values are given. Individual series alli ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ಬರೀ x ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ variable values. It may be income, it may be height, it may be weight. Income ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, height ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, weight ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, marks of the students ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, income of an employee, height of a student, weight of a student, marks scored by the students, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಹೈಟ್, weight, marks, etc. Discrete series. In the case of discrete series, variable values and frequencies will be given. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೈಟ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Height is the variable, number of students is the frequency. Income, number of persons. Income is the variable, number of persons is the frequency. Marks, number of students. Marks is the variable, number of students is the frequency. Likewise, discrete series ಅಲ್ಲಿ variable values ಮತ್ತೆ frequencies ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Continuous series. Before we go to continuous series, let me explain once again. In central tendency or central value practical aspect we are covering in the online class. So graphs and all offline class alli ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೋಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಮೋಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ is also called as arithmetic mean. In arithmetic mean we have two types, simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have three series, individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Individual series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಹೈಟ್, ವೈಟ್, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. Continuous series we will discuss in the next class.